Jimmy used to run through the streets at night to escape from all the fighting. He was always told that he wasn't right, so he just kept on riding. Riding to a dad that he wished he died, that he didn't know he needed. He said we should run away, but today we'll stay. And I haven't seen him since that day. Now I got Jimmy on my mind, felt like yesterday, but I don't see him anymore. Jimmy, he got tired, so he couldn't stay. Now I don't see him anymore. Nah, no, I don't see him anymore. Nah. Jimmy would come over after school sometimes, and we'd dance around the garden. He would never talk, but when he would try, it would never come out right. And one day he had to go when his mom called him home, and he looked at me and smiled, and he said we should run away, but today we'll stay. And I haven't seen him since that day. Now I got Jimmy on my mind, felt like yesterday, but I don't see him anymore. Jimmy, he got tired, so he couldn't stay. Now I don't see him anymore. Now I got Jimmy on my mind, feels like yesterday, but I don't see him anymore. Jimmy, he got tired, but he couldn't stay. Now I don't see him anymore. Nah, no, I don't see him anymore. And I picture you